Hi, it's me again with Corel Draw Tips and Tricks, and I made this exact video a while back, and somebody was trying to follow along, and they had actually used Gabriola and this exact wordage they told me. But when they go to arrange and break artistic text apart, the Gabriola changes. So let's back up here, and now just on a side note, see this ghost part of Corel Draw. If you want to leave everything the same, just go over your slider bar here and just double click and that ghost goes away. So if we go up here and select everything, go to arrange and convert it to a curve, and then we break it apart, we lose the inner parts of our letters when we weld it. So there's a way around that. So we're at a curve. Our item is 11 inches big, so we're going to make our nudge factor 12. We're going to get our smart fill tool, and we're going to fill in that part, that part, that part, and that part. I should have been moving them up as I did. We just fill them in and nudge them out. Then you can take this part and weld it. Then take these four pieces, left click no fill, right click hairline, and nudge them down exactly where they were. So now you have a cuttable part that'll cut out, and just kind of prove it with the smart fill tool. It'll fill all that in. Now this particular word, you'd have to move that I, the top of the I, down. So you go to range, break curve apart, grab just that I, and then of course you're gonna, all this isn't gonna stay together anyway. So it just depends on what you're doing. You could select both those and weld those, and that changes your I. Anyway, hope that helped a little bit. Thank you for watching.